evaluate the integral of 1 over x squared plus quantity x minus 1 squared dx. So let's expand first the square of the binomial. So we'll have integral of 1 over x squared plus x minus 1 square, it's equal to x squared minus 2x plus 1. So combining similar terms, we'll have integral of 1 over x squared plus x squared, that's 2x squared, then minus 2x plus 1 dx. So let's try to complete the square of the denominator, but I'll factor out first 2. So we'll have 1 over 2 times the quantity x squared minus x plus 1 half. So we can rewrite the integral as 1 half times 1 over x squared minus x plus 1 half dx. So we can put the 1 half in front because it's just a constant. So we'll have 1 half integral of 1 over x squared minus x plus 1 half dx. And then we complete the square of the denominator. So we'll have 1 half integral of 1 over. So we will group the first two terms, x squared minus x. Then we will add a constant to complete the square. Then plus this 1 half. Then minus that same constant to balance out the expression. So what is this value? You divide the coefficient of x, which is negative 1, divide it by 2, so we'll have negative 1 half, and then square, we'll have negative 1 half square or 1/4. So therefore, the constant that we should add is 1/4 to complete the square of x. And we must also subtract 1/4 here. So therefore, we can now factor out this perfect square trinomial. So get the square root of x squared x, copy the sign of the middle term negative, then get the square root of the constant 1/4, 1 half, then quantity squared. So this is the factored form of this quadratic trinomial. And then we add 1 half minus 1/4, that's equal to positive 1/4. So we can use the formula for integral shielding arctangent given by integral of du over u squared plus a squared. It's equal to 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. So we just rewrite the given integral as 1 half integral of 1 over x minus 1 half squared plus we represent or we write 1/4 in exponential expression having a constant base raised to the second power, which is equal to 1 half quantity squared, right? Because 1 half squared is 1/4. If we try to pattern our given integral to this formula, we can have our u equal to x minus 1 half, and we can have our a equals to 1 half. So getting the derivative of u du, derivative of x minus 1 half dx. Substituting, we'll have 1 half integral of, sorry, there should be dx here. So 1 over x minus 1 half is u squared, then plus 1 half is a squared, and then the dx is du. So therefore, the value of integral is equal to 1 over a arctan of u over a plus c. So 1 half integral of 1 over u squared plus a squared du is 1 over a arctangent of u over a plus c. And then let's substitute the values of a and u. So a is 1 half. Then arctangent of u, which is x minus 1 half over a 1 half plus c. And then let's simplify. So 1 half times 1 over 1 half cancel out the 1 half. Therefore, we just have 1. Or we just have simply arctangent of x minus 1 half over 1 half. So we multiply x minus 1 half by the reciprocal of 1 half, which is 2. So we'll have 2 times x minus 1 half plus c. So we have arctangent of distribute the 2. We'll have 2x minus 2 times 1 half or 1 plus c. So this is the final answer.